Let's look at non-modular programming. So here we have a model info Java. If we prefer not to use modular, we can remove model info Java. Then we can use additional modules when you run your project. So let's say OK. Let's rebuild project. Run, edit configuration. Add VM options. Model path to JavaFX SDK library. Add modules. javafx.controls. javafx.fxml. and javafx.graphics. So we are using additional module called javafx.graphics Java. Apply, OK. So when you run your application, it will work. So this is how you do non-modular programming using JavaFX graphics. That's all. Thank you.